Hi! Good morning, beautiful people! So guys, today was supposed to be a very special day. Excited kaayo ko because I was supposed to go to the ICC. ICC means International Criminal Court. So sila yung nag-handle sa mga international crimes. And then, of course, atong Filipino pride, Miriam Defensor Santiago was elected before as a judge there. Feeling lawyer vibes, di ba? So fast forward, I got to the bus stop. Dayon, na-miss na ako akong bus. Mabuti na lang, my ever-reliable boyfriend came to the rescue and offered to drive me. Pero guess what? Due to circumstances, ako siya gi-cancel. So, ni anak ko sa kong uyab, uli na lang ta. But then, anak siya sa ko, why not we go to the movies instead? Imbis nung magmaoy ko, wala na lang. Pero, when we got there, all the good movies were scheduled in the afternoon. So, instead of waiting around, niadto na lang Mixkeveningen Beach. And maybe grab breakfast outside. And na-amaze ako sa cinema exit nila guys kasi connected sa McDonald's. Grabe na ito. So, ito na nga. Ito yung Scheveningen Beach. Ewan ko ba kung sakto ba o hindi yung pronunciation ko. So, dito guys, makikita mo yung Kurhaus Hotel. Hindi lang ito hotel guys, but isa din itong concert hall. According to my research, dito daw nag-concert yung Rolling Stones. I can't get no satisfaction. And dito mo din makikita yung pier. Ito yung pinaka-largest pier in all Europe. So dyan, makikita mo yung mga shops, restaurants, and even plus, na ay Ferris wheel na guys. Kung down na down ka guys, huwag kang magpakamatay guys ha. Mag-bungee jumping ka na lang. Mo yung suggestion ko. O, diba, na ang Ferris wheel. So, makikita mo sa loob ng pier, guys, is mga restaurants. Ang daming restaurants dyan. So, dito sa Europe, guys, walang pakialaman yung mga tao. So, pwede ka dyan, magligid-ligid ka dyan. Or maghubo ka dyan. Walang magpapakailam sa'yo. Kung balak nyo pumunta dito sa Europa, guys, mag-practice na kayo mag-booking para hindi kayo mahirapan. Kargado talaga ng walking dito, guys. Kaya, kinapoy naman yung Disney Princess. Kailangan na natin kumain. Ma-amaze ka na naman ngayon, Day. Kasi yung ordering system nila, scan lang yung barcode ng table at saka mag-ano ka na lang, order sa cellphone.
The new one we were lost on.
Lang lang. Hi, hi.
So, for our drinks, we ordered iced tea for my boyfriend and I got a cappuccino. And to my surprise, may pakapin siya na cookie! Nagkape ako ngayon, guys, kasi yung utak ko parang nagpa-fog. Hindi na siya nagpa-function, guys.
This also looks nice, though.
You know what?
It's like French bread with Dutch shrimp.
Oh, yeah.
Or smoked eel.
Yeah, I like that too. But there's a lot of birds.
So, andito na yung in-order namin. He had a salmon sandwich and I had a carpaccio on walnut bread. Mga raw yan sila pero nakakain yan, ha? Kung hindi yan nakakain, edi namatay na sana kami ngayon, di ba? Charet! Oh, dito kami kumain. I-search nyo na lang mga inday, ha?
Yeah.
Isn't this more fun?
Yeah.
Right?
I really had. You're just getting in.
Cool thing. Are you filming?
Yeah. It's nice.
So, after eating, hindi na lang kami nagsinima. Pumunta na lang kami sa Grand Mania. Dinalhan din namin siya ng bulaklak. Para din makavisit kami kasi hindi na namin siya nakita after ng surgery. So,
I'm kapoy.
naan naging kapoy guys. Bye-bye! Totsins!